Welcome to CertifyMe. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of awarding credentials in bulk using a CSV file. Step 1. Log in to your CertifyMe account. Step 2. Open your desired credential template. Step 3. Click on Bulk Award from the menu. Step 4. Download the sample CSV file provided. Step 5. Open the downloaded CSV file. Step 6. Update your data in the respective columns. Remember, do not change the column format from the sample file. Once updated, save the file as a CSV. Step 7. Upload the saved CSV file by clicking on Choose File. Step 8. Review the uploaded data to ensure everything is correct. Step 9. Award credentials in bulk. And that's it. Using this method, you can award hundreds or even thousands of credentials to reward your participants efficiently. Happy certifying with CertifyMe.